Hi guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can edit images and videos using ChatGPT. So for this I'll be using this code interpreter which is recently launched by ChatGPT, and you need to go to the settings, go to beta feature and enable this first, and then you will see the code interpreter over here. So I will select it, and when you will select it you will see this plus icon will be enabled along with this text box. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to upload an image to it and I will perform few operations to edit that image. So I'm going to upload the thumbnail of this particular video, and it's currently loading. So I'm going to ask it that, hi, can you please tell me what can you do with this image? So just in case that we are not sure what are the code interpreter features provided for the image manipulation, so I'm just asking it a question. So it will tell me that what are the things we can do with it. So first one is that we can do the image analysis, means that we can identify the colors, patterns in the images. So I'm going to first ask him that, can you please analyze this image? So it took few seconds and it performed this code. I'm not sure which programming language it is. Uh, then it actually showed me this particular image, and it showed me different format of the image. It's in the PNG, and it's 24-bit image, and it's showing that its mod is RGBA and its size is this, right? So it's showing us all the different properties of this image. Now let's ask it to actually crop it, resize it, or make some color changes to it. Okay, can you please make this image gray, crop it 25% from right side, and resize this image by 2x. Okay, so now it has grayed out this image. It has cropped the image 25% from right side. If we go up, you can see this has been cropped. And I also asked it to change its size, and it has increased the size of this image, right? That's awesome. And what else we can do with it? If the image contains any text, we can extract using the optical character recognition. So there are the text. So I'm going to, can you fetch out the text from this image? So it's saying that we there are some issues with this, the quality and the resolution of this image, and it want me to actually let it increase contrast, binarizations, removing noise, etc. Um, just for testing, I'm just responding it yes, sure. So let's see. It needs to do a lot of operations for this. So it will start converting. It is removing noise from it. It is enhancing the contrast of it. It is showing me that there is an image slash video, and that's right. We have this text over here. What else it has? And it's not completely fetching the text out of it. So I'm not impressed with this particular feature, this OCR feature. Let's move to another. First one is the compression and the conversion. So can you, okay, so let's see if it works fine. Currently, all of these operations or the features were work fine except this particular OCR feature. It has completed the response and the image have been converted to JPG, and its size was this, and now its size is decreased by these bytes. And if I click here, and I will see, yeah, it's been converted to the JPG, and its size must be decreased as well. So this is the image, and it has decreased the size as well as convert its format. So at the end, I uploaded an image of a cat and asked it to identify the character inside it. And it showed me that it's of size this, it's RGB image and few other properties. Then I asked it to actually tell me which animal exists in this image. And it turned out to be that it cannot understand this image, and it cannot identify which animal exists in this image. So I think it's in beta version, the code interpreter, and we can still use the other features like image analysis, modification, uh, compression, and the conversion for the images, and it do these things very quickly. So now let's move further and talk about video editing features provided by code interpreter in ChatGPT. So now I have uploaded a video sample.mp4 and its length is around 50 seconds, and I've asked it what are the things it can do with this video. So just like image, it will show me different points, and it can play the video. Let's see if it can play the video. It can analyze the video like the color, patterns, content. We can extract frames from this video. We can edit video, and this is one of the main feature that I'll be using. Cut the portion of video means the trimming. We can compress the video, change the format, add subtitles is amazing feature, and audio extraction from the video, right? So let's first talk about how can I play the video here. So let's see. I'm sorry for confusion, but add a text-based AI language, so it's not working, and this is what I expected. And it's not even required. When we upload a video, we can play the video directly in our system as well. Okay, let's ask it to please analyze the video for the content, color, and patterns. Please analyze this video for color, content, patterns, etc. So it should be able to provide me the format of the image, different colors, different properties, the size of image maybe. So it has shown me that I don't have access to this content. So extract the basic properties or the frame. So I am going to ask it that please extract. Yes, sure. So now it should be working. Yeah, it has triggered. And let's see if it start fetching out the basic information of this video. So before it start printing, so it's showing me the frame count. There are 1496 frames in this video. Frame rate is 30 frames per second. This is the duration, this is the resolution, and it's quite useful information that it has printed. And let's see what else. I want to edit the videos actually. So I want to ask it that can you please uh, decrease or increase the brightness of the video? And I'm going to ask him to trim the video. Please increase the brightness of this video by 2x and trim the video 50% from end. And I think that it's going to take some time because this process takes time even if we are using any video editing tool in our local system and start exporting the video. So it's currently working, and if we want to see what code it's writing and different operations it's performing here, right? And I think it's done. So once it's complete its processing, next I will be asking it to actually compress the video and change the format of image, and it's currently mp4, and I'm going to ask it to change the format to .mov, and I want to reduce the size of it by 50%, right? So let's see. And the video has been processed according to your instruction. Its brightness have been increased by 2x, and it is trimmed to 50% of the original length. So original length was around 50 seconds. So let me download this file since I cannot play the video over here. it is showing me the link of the video directly here, so I can download and play the video. So let's see. And its brightness is increased. I know that I created this video and it's not looking good, but I just tried to increase the brightness and it is increased, and you can see that the length of this video is 25 seconds only. So our both operations work perfectly fine, and it was just with one prompt, and it gave us a link to do it. Okay. And one of the thing that I would like to do again is this video compression. Please reduce the size of this video by 50% and also change its format to .mov. Okay, and then I will be asking it to add subtitles and extract the audio from this video. Okay, and audio will be in MP3 format, which I'm not sure yet. So let's try this out. So it's currently working, and let's wait for it to complete the process. So it is saying that the size of video have been decreased by 50% and its format have been changed to .mov. If I download it, and yeah, its format have been changed and I can open it and play it. This is amazing. And this feature is working fine. And lastly, I will be testing these features, adding subtitles. Can you add subtitles to it? And also extract the audio from this video. So it's currently processing, and once it's processing, let me tell you, so it did not play the video directly inside this chat GPT. Maybe in the future it will let us play the videos, and it showed the different properties of this video, and we were able to extract the frames, and it showed me the number of frames, and except the video playback, all of these features were worked fine. Now let's wait for it and see if it adds subtitles to it. I was speaking in English in that video that I have uploaded, and it should be able to upload the add subtitles to this video, and also it should be able to extract the audio from this video. So let's come down. I apologize. It seems the video does not have an audio track, so trying to extract the audio result is an error. If the intent to contain audio track, okay. Uh, what about the subtitles? What about subtitles? So okay, so current environment where it does not have this installed. So it's using a third-party package to add the subtitles, and I wanted it to actually use the built-in features of it. So currently we can directly use these features to add subtitles. I won't be comfortable asking ChatGPT to install these features inside it, having an environment and then add the subtitles to it. Okay, so currently I think we can upload any song or any media track to extract the audios from it, but the main feature that usually people use is this video editing, contrast, saturation, brightness, and the trimming, and also changing the format of it, and also reduce the size of the video. These are one of the 4 5 main features, and I will be using these features so often during my work. So thank you so much for watching, and this was pretty much it. And in upcoming days, I hope that this code interpreter will be stable in ChatGPT Plus version, and we will be having a lot of different features of image and video editing tools added inside the ChatGPT. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and comment below if you have any question.